The Zabbix training course, as one of the tools for network monitoring and management, is a project in the Internet Measurement course at the University of Tehran, now available to you. In this training course, you will be introduced to the step-by-step installation and setup of this network tool. Subsequently, you will be able to monitor and manage various systems and networks using this tool. In this video, we will introduce Zabbix and its capabilities for network monitoring and management. Additionally, we will cover the installation and activation process on a Linux operating system. For more training and tutorials in this field, you can connect with our team at the University of Tehran. Zabbix is an open-source software for monitoring networks and systems, designed for enterprises and organizations. This software offers extensive capabilities to monitor the performance of hardware, software, and network services. Features and capabilities of Zabbix. 1. Real-time monitoring. Zabbix is capable of monitoring the activities and status of servers, network devices, and applications in real time. 2. Scalability. The software can easily scale to meet the needs of large organizations and manage a vast number of devices and services. 3. Data collection. Zabbix can collect data from various sources, including servers, network devices, applications, and cloud services. 4. Data analysis. With Zabbix, collected data can be analyzed to produce comprehensive and detailed reports on system performance. 5. Notifications and alerts. Zabbix can send alerts to network administrators via email, SMS, or other communication methods in case of issues or abnormal events. 6. Dashboards and visualizations. Zabbix provides graphical dashboards and visualizations, allowing users to see the status of systems visually. 7. Support for multiple protocols. The software supports various protocols such as SNMP, IPMI, JMX, SSH, and Telnet for monitoring devices and services. 8. Security and authentication. Zabbix offers various security features, including user authentication and access control, ensuring data and system security. 9. Open source and free. As an open-source software, Zabbix is available for free and can be customized as needed. Zabbix is a comprehensive monitoring solution that consists of multiple components, among which Zabbix Agent and Zabbix Server are fundamental. 1. Zabbix Agent. Zabbix Agent is a lightweight software that collects data from the monitored hosts and sends it to the Zabbix server. It is installed on the machines that need to be monitored. The agent supports various platforms, including Linux, Windows, and Unix, and allows for flexible and detailed data collection. 2. Zabbix Server. Zabbix Server is the central component of the Zabbix monitoring system. It processes the data received from Zabbix agents, stores it in a database, and provides the interface for data analysis and visualization. It is responsible for triggering alerts and notifications based on the collected data. Since the Zabbix website periodically updates the Zabbix system, the installation process may undergo minor changes even for previous versions. Therefore, it is essential to always follow the installation instructions from the Zabbix website. After selecting the desired version of Zabbix, from step 2 onwards, enter the generated commands in the terminal. Repeat this process for both Part A and Part B. Before proceeding to Part C, you need to install Sql using this command. In Part C, configure the database settings for the Zabbix server. If prompted for a password, enter password. Now, open your browser and enter this address. After installing the Zabbix server on your desired system, the next step is to install the Zabbix agent. However, since in the previous step we downloaded and installed both the Zabbix server and agent from the Zabbix website, this step is not necessary for us. We will place both the agent and server on the same system because we intend to monitor our Linux system. If you want to monitor another system, you need to install the Zabbix agent on the target system. Next, we will configure the Zabbix agent that was previously installed on the system to establish communication between the agent and the server. At this point, wait for a few moments and then refresh the page to see your server label turn green.